Hey, today we have a lesson that we talked about, and it was how to create a line plot to represent data. And then the second part of that is how to interpret that data. So we had the kids do a little survey, and the survey said, how many pets do you have? And the kids would come up and they would make a tally mark next to the number of pets they have at the house. So there were three people that said they have zero. There were four people that said they had one. Two other people came up and said they have two pets. Three people came up and said that they have three. Two people came up and voted that they have four pets. One person came up and recorded that they had five pets. Nobody in our class has six, seven, or eight pets. And then three people said that they have five or more pets. The next part is to make a line plot. And with that, you write out all the numbers that we had, and then you make an X above here. And a lot of the kids were saying, hey, this is like a bar graph right here. Yes, it is a lot like a bar graph where we can make comparisons. And so from our data over on this left side, we're able to make this line plot over on this side over here. The homework looks like this. And the first question says, how many dogs and cats in total were sold at the store? Well, when we look here, we notice that there are dogs, cats, birds, fish, frogs. There are X's, but the thing we need to know is how many does each X represent? And up in this corner, it says X equals one pet sold. So as we go through for number one, when it says how many dogs and cats in total were sold at the store, we can see that there is one dog that was sold and two cats that were sold. When it says in total, we're going to add that together. So the 1 plus 2 equals 3. For our second question, it says, were more birds sold or fish sold? So we come up here and we can look at the birds and we can look at the fish. Again, we're just comparing how many there are. On the birds, there's 1, 2, 3. On the fish, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on this one, we can see that there were more fish than birds sold. So for number 2, we would write the answer fish. So this is how we use our line plot to be able to interpret the data, to be able to do the homework. Thanks for checking by.